Michigan's newest order taking effect this morning. It lifts mask and social distancing requirements for vaccinated people both outdoors and indoors. Businesses can still make their own policies, and 7 Action News reporter Brett Cass is going over the science behind the CDC's guidance and why many people are still hesitant to drop the mask.
Well, some stores like Kroger are still requiring that all customers wear a mask. However, other stores are letting those who are vaccinated go without.
It's the first day out of the house with no mask mandate for vaccinated people. But at Kroger, the masks are still on.
I'm still practicing safe measures. I think it's important.
Kroger still has its mask policy in place, but some shoppers say even without it, they'd still wear one.
I'm going to be wearing my mask everywhere I go for now.
In a lot of ways, it's like people returning from a war zone.
Jeffrey Guina is chief medical officer at Easterseals, Michigan, and spent a decade as a military psychologist. He says adjusting back to normal life will take time.
We get used to stressful situations, and then to suddenly change our thinking, to change our behavior, to change our feelings, that's hard. That's hard for everybody.
This is a question of science and proof, and it's there. It's that simple.
Dr. Matthew Sims is a director of infectious disease research for Beaumont Health. He says lifting the mask requirement for those vaccinated is a big step forward and is based on science.
Out of all the people who have been vaccinated, it's like a 0.01% breakthrough rate. That's exceedingly tiny.
In fact, the CDC guidance on masks was made in light of a new study released just this week, showing in real-world settings the Moderna and Pfizer vaccines are both 94% effective.
If everybody is safe, and we've now shown this with real-world studies where we follow people and watch how they do, it's time to put our trust in the vaccine and start removing some of those restrictions for vaccinated people.
But those vaccinated people keeping their masks on say it's trust in other unvaccinated people, not the vaccine, that is lacking, a potential side effect of the pandemic that will last for years to come.
I don't think the world's ever going to be the same again, but I do trust the vaccination.
Now, again, the order right now is only for fully vaccinated people, but the governor did say that come July 1st, she will be removing the mask mandate statewide for everybody. Reporting for 7 Action News, I'm Brett Cast.